You guys asked for more shuffle combos, and I got you. Today we're going to be learning an 8-count combo that you can easily throw into your freestyling. Now this is just going to be combo number 1, and there's going to be 3 more over on the shuffle vault. And if you want to, you can actually learn all these combos in a sequence because they all go together to create a 4 8-count choreo. But if you want to just learn them individually and incorporate them into your freestyling, that's also an option. So if you want to check out those, head over to the shuffle vault, but let's get into our first combo. So our combo starts out with 2 Polly Pockets. We're going to start with our right leg, and we're going to go 1 and 2. Now, staying in this position, we are going to switch our legs. So my left leg is forward, and I'm just going to do like a little scissor kick in the air. So all that is just 1 and 2 and. Okay, now from this position, I'm going to make a little figure 4 by bringing in my leg as my back foot hops in. Okay, and then I'm just going to come back to that position. Easy enough, right? So it's 1 and 2, switch, tuck, and hoo. So let's practice that together with some counts. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now with your arms with this, you can do a couple different things. What I find with the Polly Pocket is I just kind of do like a natural swing with my Polly, like opposite arms with opposite legs, right? So my left leg is forward, my right arm is forward, right? Okay? And then when you do the switch and tuck, I either kind of bring this arm up, or you can even grab like you're pulling yourself in and then back. So what that would look like both ways is either 1, 2, and 3 and, or 1, 2, and 3 and. All right, let's try it together a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and. Cool. Let's continue on. So we've just gone 3 and. Now we're going to do a Polly, but it's going to be a reverse Polly because we're going to step our leg back. So my right leg was in the air and I step it back. And then I'm going to go into another Polly Pocket by switching sides. Okay? So that from the back, we were here. We step it back and switch. Okay? So all that together is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So we are 5. We're going to do the same thing on this side that we did on the other side, which is that little scissor kick switch in the air. And then we're going to do the same thing, tuck. So that again from the top is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, let's try that together a few times. You can do same arms on the other side as well. So we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Good. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Let's finish it out. So we are 5 and 6. So our leg is crossed in front in this figure 4. All we're going to do is wrap it around the other side, taking our toe to wrap around our calf. So that's here to here. 7. And then as if you are pulling your toe on your calf, you are going to turn yourself to the side. So it's here, tuck, pull. So all of that, again, is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's try it together a few times. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Beautiful. All right, let's practice it a little bit faster. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now, if you were to just do this combo on its own, say we ended here, right, on 8, the way that I would get out of this is I would just do a brush kick and then go into the running man. Okay, so that's ha, 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 ha. And then you can go into whatever you want from there. Another way you could get out of it is say you're here, boom. And what we're going to do in the next combo over on the shuffle ball is a dig step. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, so that's another option. Again, just to kind of help you get into the next movement. But I think the most versatile one is obviously getting back into the running man with that brush kick. Now, if you want to practice this in music and dance to the song that I created this to, I'll put a card and a link in the description. Let's for now practice this combo to a different song, one that's royalty free. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember there's combos 2, 3, and 4 over on the shuffle vault. Check the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.